Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to change the model that is being used in Perplexity AI. So let's get started. So if you are using a free plan of Perplexity, so as you can see here on Perplexity's AI's free plan, you cannot manually select or switch between the AI models. So only if you have a pro plan you can change the models. So in case if you're having that, here you're having the icon, right? It says choose a model. Click here, and here we are having these many models to choose from. So for reasoning, they have the DeepSeek's R1 model, O4 mini, and Claude 4.0 Sonnet thinking. And apart from that, for normal thing, they have the Sonar, which is Perplexity's fastest model, Claude 4.0, GPT 4.1, Gemini 2.5, and they're also having Grok 3 from Twitter. So they have these many models to choose from. You can just select the model. Since I'm using a free plan, it is taking me to the pro scene, but in case you're having a paid account, you can automatically choose the model. So that's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. There are a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.